This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Most Audi drivers believe that engine damage only happens because of major mistakes. Skipping oil changes, using the wrong fuel, ignoring warning lights. But in reality, many modern engines experience additional wear because of small daily habits that drivers never think about. And the surprising part is that these habits often happen during completely normal driving. Nothing feels wrong. No warning lights appear. The car seems perfectly healthy. Yet over thousands of miles, certain behaviors can quietly increase mechanical stress inside the engine. Modern Audi engines are extremely advanced machines. They are designed to deliver strong performance while maintaining excellent efficiency. But because they operate with tighter tolerances and higher pressures than older engines, they also rely more heavily on proper driving habits. One of the most common habits that can quietly increase engine stress happens during the first minutes after starting the car. When you start a modern Audi engine, several systems begin working immediately. Oil starts circulating through the engine. Coolant begins moving through the cooling system. The turbocharger begins receiving lubrication, and various sensors begin adjusting fuel injection and air intake. But even though the engine starts instantly, internal components are still far from their optimal operating conditions. Oil temperature is still low, metal components have not fully expanded to their operating tolerances, and the turbocharger has not yet reached stable temperature conditions. During these first moments, the engine management system intentionally behaves differently. Idle speed may remain slightly higher. Throttle response may feel softer. The transmission may shift earlier. All of these behaviors are designed to protect the engine while it warms up. But here is where many drivers unknowingly create additional stress. Some drivers accelerate aggressively immediately after starting the engine. Others rev the engine while it is still cold. And some drivers drive at high RPM before the oil has fully circulated. Over time, these habits can increase internal wear, especially in turbocharged engines where lubrication is critical during the first moments after startup. Audi engineers design their engines to be extremely durable. But they also design them assuming that the driver allows the engine a brief period of gentle operation while temperatures stabilize. Driving smoothly for the first few minutes allows oil to reach every internal component properly. It allows the turbocharger to receive consistent lubrication, and it allows engine temperatures to rise gradually. This simple habit can make a significant difference in long-term engine health. But there is another driving habit that many Audi owners never consider, and it happens at the opposite end of a drive. Not when the engine starts, but when the engine stops. And in Part 2, we'll look at why shutting off a turbocharged engine immediately after hard driving can quietly affect turbo longevity over time.
In Part 1, we talked about what happens during the first minutes after starting your Audi. We explained why modern engines behave differently when they are cold, and why aggressive acceleration during this phase can increase internal stress over time. But there is another habit that many drivers unknowingly practice, and it happens at the end of a drive, not at the beginning. This habit involves how drivers shut down turbocharged engines. Most modern Audi engines use turbochargers to increase power and efficiency. Turbochargers are incredible pieces of engineering. They use exhaust gases to spin a turbine that compresses air entering the engine. This allows the engine to burn more fuel efficiently and produce more power from a relatively small displacement. But turbochargers operate under extreme conditions. In many cases, the turbine inside a turbocharger can spin at speeds exceeding 150,000 revolutions per minute. At the same time, exhaust temperatures can reach extremely high levels. To survive these conditions, turbochargers rely heavily on engine oil. Oil lubricates the turbo bearings and helps carry heat away from internal components. As long as the engine is running, oil constantly circulates through the turbocharger. But when the engine stops, oil circulation stops instantly. Now imagine this situation. You've been driving at highway speed. Perhaps you accelerated strongly to overtake another vehicle, or you climbed a long hill where the engine was working harder than usual. During this time, the turbocharger was spinning rapidly. and generating significant heat. Then you reach your destination, you park the car, and immediately turn off the engine. When the engine shuts down, oil stops flowing through the turbocharger, but the turbo itself may still be extremely hot. Without circulating oil to carry heat away, residual heat remains trapped inside the turbo housing. Over time, repeated situations like this can lead to small amounts of oil residue forming inside the turbo system. This process is often referred to as heat soak. Modern Audi engines are designed to handle normal driving conditions, but understanding how heat behaves in turbocharged systems can help drivers reduce unnecessary stress on these components. Audi engineers design cooling and lubrication systems to protect the engine as much as possible. However, the driver can still help the system work more effectively. After intense driving, especially highway acceleration, spirited driving, or climbing steep terrain, allowing the engine to idle briefly before shutting it off can help temperatures stabilize. During this short moment, oil and coolant continue circulating. The turbocharger slows down. Internal temperatures begin to normalize. In many cases, this process only takes 30 to 60 seconds. It's a very small habit, but small habits repeated over thousands of miles can make a meaningful difference in long-term mechanical health. In Part 3, we'll explore another surprising factor that affects how modern Audi engines behave over time. A system that adapts to the driver's habits and can influence how responsive the engine feels.
In Part 1, we talked about how aggressive driving immediately after a cold start can increase internal engine stress. In Part 2, we explained why shutting down a turbocharged Audi engine immediately after hard driving can trap heat inside the turbocharger. Now, there is a third factor that many Audi owners never consider, and it doesn't involve mechanical wear directly. It involves how modern Audi engines adapt to your driving style. Most modern Audi vehicles use advanced engine management systems that continuously analyze driver behavior. These systems monitor throttle input, acceleration patterns, braking behavior, and gear usage. Over time, the car begins to adapt to the way it is driven. This is often referred to as adaptive driving behavior. If a car is consistently driven very gently, light throttle, early gear shifts, low RPM, the engine management system gradually optimizes itself for efficiency rather than performance. This is great for fuel economy, but it can also lead to something many drivers notice. The car may start to feel slightly less responsive. Throttle response may feel softer, acceleration may feel slower than expected. Nothing is actually broken. The engine is simply adapting to a pattern of gentle driving. Audi vehicles are designed to provide both efficiency and performance, but the balance between these two modes often depends on how the vehicle is used. This is why some drivers say their Audi suddenly feels stronger after a long highway drive. During extended driving at steady speeds, higher temperatures and engine load help clear minor deposits and allow systems to operate in optimal conditions. Likewise, occasional firm acceleration allows the engine management system to recalibrate throttle and transmission responses. This doesn't mean driving aggressively all the time, but it does mean that varied driving conditions help keep the engine operating at its best. Occasional highway driving, smooth but confident acceleration, allowing the engine to reach full operating temperature. These simple habits help maintain responsiveness and long-term efficiency. Modern Audi engines are incredibly durable machines when maintained correctly. They are designed for hundreds of thousands of miles when basic mechanical habits are respected. Avoid harsh acceleration immediately after cold starts. Allow the engine to stabilize briefly before shutting it down after intense driving, and occasionally allow the engine to operate under normal load conditions rather than only short, low-speed trips. These are small habits, but over the life of a vehicle, they can make a meaningful difference in how the engine performs and how long it remains healthy. Many drivers focus only on oil changes or maintenance intervals. Those are important, but daily driving habits also play a major role in long-term engine condition. Understanding how your Audi works allows you to protect the performance you already have, and sometimes avoiding small mistakes is more valuable than chasing expensive upgrades. If you want your Audi to stay smooth, responsive, and reliable for years to come, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing detailed Audi-focused content that helps owners understand how their cars really work. On this channel, we explore hidden Audi settings, performance optimization tips, common mistakes Audi owners make, and simple habits that protect your engine long-term. If you drive Audi, this channel is built for you.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.